What are you making?
Cookies.
What letter is that?
Q.
Very good. We're going to make those cookies?
Yes.
How?
Make them like the joy. And make them like joy.
Quentin, do sexy eyes for Mommy. I can't see that. Do it again.
Where do I put all this stuff?
Put them all on there.
Okay, they're like bananas.
Bananas? Do they taste like bananas?
Yeah. Because they're like bananas.
Manners.
Goosebumps. Juice bumps.
That's one big cookie. Can we see that tooth that's coming out? Can I get closer? Wiggle it. I can't see. Okay, move it. Let me see cash register.
Wait. Good.
Like this. Look at it, it's all sideways. Okay, say goodbye.